Hello everyone, welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. Let us understand the preparation of ledger account. In the previous video, I have uploaded the concept of royalty account, the elements which are related to the royalty account and journal entries for the royalty account. If you have not watched that video, kindly watch those videos because understanding of journal entries is most important for the preparation of ledger account. If you are thorough with the journal entries, you will not get confused while passing the ledger accounts. Let us solve the ledger accounts. Bindu Coal Company Limited took a lease from a landlord, Mr. Raghuveer, on February 1st, 2020. On a royalty of rupees 50 per ton of coal extracted with a minimum rent of rupees 2 lakh per annum and power to recoup short workings during the first 4 years of the lease. The details of the production are year output 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24. 2200, 3300, 4400, 4800 and 5400. And in the last year, there is a lockout for 90 days. So here you need to observe the transaction while recording the minimum rent in the fifth year. Prepare the following account in the books of Bindu Coal Company. Royalty account, Raghuveer's account, short working account. See here, Bindu Coal Company is a leasee who took for the lease. Okay. And Mr. Raghuveer is the landlord, owner of the company, leaser. Now, first we need to prepare the analytical table. To pass journal entries or to post from journal to ledger, you need to prepare the analytical table first. So, let us prepare the analytical table. Year 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25, only 24, up to 24 it is there. Now for the year, production is given output 2200, 3300, 4400, 4800, 5400. Royalty. Royalty is 50 per ton. So what you have to do? You need to multiply the 2200 into 50. It is 1 lakh 10,000. Next, 3,300 into 50. 1,65,000. Then 4,400 into 50. It is 2,20,000. 4,800 into 50 is 2,40,000. Then 5,400 into 50 is 2,70,000. Now minimum rent. Minimum rent is given in the question itself. Minimum rent is also called as fixed rent, dead rent because it remains same for all the years. 2 lakh. 2 lakh. And there is adjustment for the fifth year for 2024 because lockdown for 90 days. So what you have to do, that is the total minimum rent is 2 lakh and into the total days in a year. For a year, 365 days. In this, you need to minus 90 days because it was lockout. Lockout means company was not working. So only you are minusing 90 days divided by 365. 365 minus 90 divided by 365 into 2 lakh. 1 lakh 50,000 684. 684.9 is there, so we will round it up to 685. 1 lakh 50,000 685. Understood? Why we are calculated? Because there was a lockout for 90 days in the year 5th year 2024. So we have deducted for that 90 days and we have calculated for the remaining days. That is, minimum rent for the remaining days are 1,50,685. Then next is surplus. Surplus is royalty minus minimum rent. So here there is no surplus. 1,65,000, 2 lakh, no surplus. Now 2,20,000, 2 lakh. There is a surplus of 20,000. Then 2,40,000 minus 2 lakh. There is a surplus of 40,000. And 2 lakh 70, 1 lakh 50, 65. There is a surplus, right? 2 lakh 70 minus 1 lakh 50, 685. 1 lakh 19,315 is the surplus. Now, short working. In the short working, the first column is whatever occurred. Minimum rent minus royalty. Minimum rent minus 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 10,000. It is 90,000. Then 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 65. It is 35,000. Now 2 lakh and 2 lakh 20. You have power to recoup the short working, whatever it is due occurred, that you can recover in the first 4 years. So here you can recover 20,000. 20,000 and the next year you can recover 40,000. 2 lakh 40 minus 2 lakh 40,000, 2 lakh 20 minus 2 lakh 20,000. This is your recovered. When your royalty is excess more than the minimum rent, then you can recover the short working. Okay, understood? Don't get confusion over here. See, preparation of analytical table is the first step in the royalty account. If you make mistakes over here, then your journal entries also goes wrong. So that is why you should be careful. Okay. Then in the last year, 2 lakh 70, 1 lakh 50. So what is the surplus? Here you can't write. Still you have a surplus. You can't write because you have a right to recover the short working only for the first 4 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth year is done. So you can't recover for the fifth year. That is why we are not showing any recovered amount over here. Now 60,000 you have recovered totally. What is the total short working occurred? 90,000 plus 35,000. 1,25,000 is the total short working occurred. In this, you have recovered 40 plus 20, 60,000 minus 60,000. What is the remaining balance? 65,000 is the irrecovered. Is it clear? Total amount you are supposed to recover is 1 lakh 1,25,000. Out of this you have recovered 60,000 and remaining balance is 65,000 is the irrecovered amount. Okay. Now payment to landlord. Now you are comparing. See, royalty and minimum rent. Minimum rent means what? It is the guaranteed amount. Whenever your output, the royalty is less, then there is a guaranteed amount which is paid to you, to the landlord. So 2 lakh, the year amount will be paid. 2 lakh. Then in the second year also, minimum rent only 2 lakh. Now, in the third year, 2 lakh 20. But in this, how much you have recovered? 20,000. So, what is the remaining balance? 2 lakh. Then 2 lakh 40, 2 lakh 40,000 is recovered. So, 2 lakh 40,000. And in the fifth year, it is 2,70,000. This is analytical table. Our analytical table is ready. Let us prepare the ledger accounts. In the books of Bindu Coal Company Limited. First, we are preparing the royalty account. Now, what is the due entry, journal entry? See, what I told you, royalty is a nominal account. The rule of nominal account is debit expenses and losses, credit incomes and gains. Who is Bindu? Bindu is a leasing tenant. For Bindu, royalty is an expense or an income. It is an expense to the Bindu. So royalty account. What is the entry you are passing for the due entry? The first journal entry you are passing in the journal is royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to landlord account. Why it is royalty account and short working account? Because here you can see there is a royalty 1,10,000. You paid to landlord 2 lakh. How you are showing this bifurcation of this 2 lakh is your royalty is 1,10,000 and your short working was 90,000. So the entry is royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to landlord account. Now what? 1,10,000 plus 90,000, this becomes 2 lakh. Now royalty account debtor, royalty account you have debited, right? Royalty account debited, and with the royalty account another account, which account is affected? Landlord account. The opposite of journal is ledger. In the journal account you have credited the landlord account, so in the ledger account you are writing the debit side to landlord account, landlord account. And which amount you are recording? Amount which you are recording, whatever there in the royalty column, only that one you are recording. Okay, is it clear? In the royalty account you are debiting the landlord account. This is for the year 2020. 2020. Now, this whatever the royalty account is there, that will be closed by transferring it to the production account. So, what is the entry? Production account we are debiting. Production account debtor to royalty account. Production account debited in the journal. So, here you are which side you are recording? Credit side you are recording by production account. Production account, same whatever there in the royalty column, that you are transferring. It is very easy, and this is most easiest chapter. You can score good marks only if you thorough with the concepts. If you understand the concepts, you will never make mistake while writing the or solving the problem, because you know why it is debiting and why it is crediting. Always know the reason. You should have question while solving the problem. If you understand the question, half of your solution is done. So remember, understanding the concept is the foremost thing in the while solving the problem. 1,10,000, 1,10,000. Now for the second year. Second year also, what is this? 2021. Landlord account. To landlord account. What is there in the royalty column? 1,65,000. 1,65,000. And you are transferring this to production account by production. Production 1,65,000. You are closing the account. Now, for the third year. for the year 2022. Here you can see your royalty is more than the minimum rent, and from your royalty you have recovered 20,000 the short working, and you paid to the landlord 2 lakh. Now how you are passing this entry? Now landlord account. In the landlord column, whatever you have paid to the landlord, that you are showing, and you are crediting the short working account which is recovered. When it is recovered, you are showing the short working account 20,000. Now 2 lakh 20. The 2 lakh 20 you are transferring to production account by production. When short working occurred, it is an expense. When short working recovered, it is an income, right? So, what you have done in the journal, you have credited the short working account. So, in the ledger, you are debiting the short working recovered account by production 2,20,000. If you want any particular questions want me to solve, please post that in the comment so I can see that and I can solve it. And anything like if you want more explanation on journal, ledger, or any concepts you want to get it cleared, then post it in the comment section. So I will be knowing what is your requirement. 2023. For 2023, we have short working. Again, we have recovered to landlord account 2 lakh, short working account 40,000, and we are transferring this to production account 2,40,000. For the last year 2024, now only whatever landlord account 2,70,000, production account 2,70,000. Is it clear? I'll repeat once again. Royalty account. What is the rule of royalty account? Royalty is a nominal account. Nominal account rule is debit expenses, credit incomes, right? So, here the entry for the royalty account, there will be two entries you are passing, right? One is the production due entry, one is the another one is production transfer entry. Okay. Now first entry is royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to landlord account. Royalty account debtor, right, to landlord account. Whatever you are there in the royalty column, that amount you are recording. The one more method is the opposite of journal is ledger. In the journal account, you have credited the landlord account. So, in ledger, you are debiting the landlord account, okay, and you are transferring to production account. Production account you are debiting. Here you are crediting. Production account is also a nominal account. Okay. So you are transferring to production account. By production account 1,10,000 to royalty account. Okay. Here royalty account is there. So for all the year you are passing. When you recovered the short working, only that time you are debiting the short working account, because in journal you are crediting the short working account, so here you are debiting the short working account. Okay, to landlord account whatever recovered amount, then total amount you are transferring to production account. This is about the royalty account. Let us prepare the landlord account. Landlord account. Now here you can see, in the royalty account, you have debited the landlord. So, in the landlord account, you are crediting the royalty account. Is it clear? You are crediting the royalty account. Entry. What is the entry? Entry is royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to landlord account. Okay. So here royalty account, you are with the landlord account, you are debiting the royalty account. So here in the ledger landlord account, you are crediting the royalty account. For the first year, by royalty account 1,10,000. And here you need to observe, while paying to the landlord, how much you paid? 2 lakh. How this 2 lakh we are showing? In the journal entry, royalty account and the short working account. So, in the landlord account, you need to credit the short working account also by short working account 90,000. Now, this is the amount which you have paid to the landlord. What is the payment entry? Landlord account debtor to bank account. With landlord bank account you have credited. So, here you are debiting the bank account to bank account. This is the payment entry. How much you paid? 2 lakh. Is it clear? 2 lakh. Next, for the year 2021, same by royalty account. What is the amount? 1,65,000 by short working account 35,000. Here you can see 1,65,000, 35, 2 lakh. Bank account is to bank account 2 lakh. Then for the year 2022. 22, what is the entry? Whatever you have paid, it is from the royalty account only. Directly you have taken. There is no short working. So, royalty account 2 lakh to bank account 2 lakh. For the year 2023, by royalty account What is the amount you have paid? 23, 2 lakh. 2 lakh 40 minus 40, it is 2 lakh. Only 2 lakh you have paid. 2 lakh. 2023 to bank account 2 lakh. Then last year it is 2 lakh 70,000. For the year 2024 by royalty account 2 lakh 70,000 to bank account 2 lakh 70,000. Okay. Yes. Last one more account is there, that is short working account. Let us prepare the short working account. Short working account. Short working account. Here you can see where and all you have recorded short working. You showed short working. In the landlord, you have recorded the short working account. You have credited the short working account. And in royalty account for the third year, you have debited the short working account. Right. Now, short working is a nominal account. It is a expense. Debit, credit. In the landlord account, royalty account is credited. So in the short working account, you are debiting the landlord account. For 2022 landlord account. Landlord account. What is the amount you have recorded in the short working? Only that amount you are showing, 90,000. 90,000, and this balance will be carry forward at 2020 by balance carry down 90,000. Now whatever balance you have carried on, that you are brought downing for the next year 2021 to balance brought down 90,000. Then again you have short working. Whatever occurred will be debited in the landlord account here, because in the landlord account we have credited the short working account. Landlord account. Landlord account. What is the amount? Second year it is 35,000. Now balance by balance carry down 90 plus 35, 1 lakh 25,000. 1 lakh 25,000. Next, for the year 2022, here you can see for 2022 any entry is there? Short working. Now for the year 2022. So 2022 there is no short working. We have recovered. Here you can see in the royalty account we have debited the short working account. So what you have to do? You need to credit the royalty account. First we will brought down for the year 2022 to balance brought down 1,25,000 2022 by royalty account royalty account, short working, recovered. This is the recovered amount. For the third year, you have recovered 20,000. Now, by balance, carry down. In 1,25,000 minus 20,000, what is the remaining balance? 1,05,000. Here you can see the beauty of this short working account. 1,25,000 at the end. I will show you how it tallies with your analytical table. 1,25,000. For the fourth year, 2023, to balance brought down is 1,05,000. Again, we have recovery. Here in the royalty account, we have debited the short working account. So we are crediting royalty account by royalty account 40,000. Now what is the balance remaining? By balance carry down. 1,05,000 minus 40,000 is 65,000. Here you can see. See, whatever recovered amount 65 is there, it's the same balance you will get for the last year, fourth year. 1,05,000. 1,05,000. That's it. For the fifth year, there is no short working or a recovery. Nothing is there. So you are not preparing anything. Until you have short working occurred and short working recovered, then you are recording in the short working account. Whatever occurred will be shown on the debit side because it is an expense. Recovered, it is an income, right? It is increasing. It is so you are crediting it. Okay. Is it clear? So first we have prepared the analytical table. In the analytical table, when the minimum rent is more than the short royalty, we have paid to the minimum rent to the landlord. And when the royalty is more than the minimum rent, then if there is any short working, then we are recovered as per the given information we have recovered. Then balance amount will be paid to the landlord, and the in the year specified only for that years you can recover, then remaining balance will be recorded in the recovered. Once the royalty is more than the minimum rent, then the royalty amount will be paid to the landlord. In case of any lockout, then that will be minus and remaining amount will be shown in the minimum rent account. Okay, then first we have prepared the royalty account. In the royalty account, whatever amount in there in the royalty column, that will be recorded and paid to the landlord. So your landlord account we have debited because the journal entry for the royalty account passing due entry is royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to landlord account with royalty, and the another account which affected is landlord. In the journal entry, landlord account is credited. So in the ledger accounts, we are debiting the landlord account and we are transferring the amount to the production account. Production account, the production account, that is production account debited in the journal entry. The entry is production account debtor to royalty account. So here we are crediting the production account, whatever there in the royalty column. And once when the royalty is recovered, that short working will be showed. Okay, the short working will be debited because the journal entry for recovery of short working is royalty account debtor to short working account to landlord account. So credited in the journal. So here we are debiting short working account, recovered account 20,000. Okay, and transferring to the production account. Then when it comes to landlord account, here you can see in the royalty account you have debited the landlord. So entry, the books you need to close, no? See here you debited. In the landlord account, you are crediting the royalty account. Here to landlord we have paid 2 lakh. How this 2 lakh we have paid? By royalty account is 1 lakh 10,000 and short working which was occurred is 90,000. Total it becomes 2 lakh. So that will be showed in the landlord account. Okay, for landlord account, with landlord we have affected another account is short working account, so both the entries is shown here. Okay, once it is recovered and whatever paid in the landlord royalty column, that will be showed to the landlord account. And the payment entry is bank landlord account debtor to bank account. Bank account be credited in journal entry. Here we are debiting the bank account. Then comes to the short working account. Here you can see for the first 2 years in the landlord account you have credited the short working account. So here you are debiting the landlord account and balance will be carried down, and whatever you have carried on will be brought down. And the next year short working, when it is recovered, the recovered amount here you have shown in the royalty account. In the royalty account you have debited the short working account, so in the short working account you are crediting the royalty account. The balance will be carried down, and the balance carried on for the last year will show the recovered amount in the analytical table. This you can cross check, so you will come to know whether you have done correctly or what. Okay, I hope you all of you understood. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.